My name is Milana and I am part of the graduating class of 2021, graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Sociology, and I'm here interviewing Yousef Treya today.
Congratulations, Milana.
Thank you. So Yousef, can you tell us your name and what you do?
My name is Yousef Treya. I own Bridgeland Market and I bag groceries for a living.
What does being a neighborhood grocer mean to you?
Being a neighborhood grocer is kind of like being Mr. Rogers, where every morning you wake up, beautiful day in the neighborhood, you meet your neighbors, sit down, have a coffee, you listen to all their good news, and you get to be part of their lives.
This business has been in your family for decades. What has changed and what has remained the same?
Well, the neighborhood has changed. We used to have a hospital, now we have a Starbucks. But the grocery store has also evolved. We have a kitchen now, a bakery. We do a lot of, we evolve with the times. We have a vegan section, which we never had in 1981. We have a butchery, we have a chef, so it always keeps changing.
What's your favorite thing to eat at Bridgeland Market?
We'll have so much things to eat there. I love our chocolate chip cookies that we make in-house.
Who is your favorite Calgarian to follow on Instagram?
Nahad Nenchi.
What's another alumni-run business that you love?
There's a lot. There's two that I love. I love Crave Cupcakes and I like Spalumbos.
How can I and the class of 2021 be entrepreneurial in our everyday lives?
Just take risks and learn how to fail. What I mean by learn how to fail is when you do something, do it 100%. And if you fail, learn from it. You know, get out of your comfort zone a bit. And this is the opportunity right after you graduate, is to take those risks and learn.
Why does the university matter to Calgary?
It's produced a lot of great leaders, a lot of great graduates who have done a lot of amazing things in the world. So I think as an alumni, it matters to me is that you always got to be reinvested into contact because it just gets better and better every year.
This is a difficult time to graduate. So what do you have to say to the class of 2021 about why they matter?
You guys are going to shape what the world's going to be like. You've lived through an experience and you're graduating in this time. So I think you guys are going to be the linchpins to sort of change this world in the next future.
Last question, one piece of advice for the class of 2021.
Pay off your student loan debts as fast as you can. Take some risks. If you're going to travel, make it the best traveling experience of your life. And if you're going to go try to find a job, learn from it. Find someone in your world, have a mentor. Learn their journey, learn their story, and just listen and absorb the world.